Welcome to Tanuki House. For easy booking and more information, just scan the QR code in the description. Tanuki House is your comfortable and convenient base for exploring the stunning Rusutsu Resort in Niseko, Japan. This 4.5-star retreat offers a perfect blend of modern comfort and breathtaking mountain views. Each room is thoughtfully equipped with air conditioning, ensuring a pleasant stay, whether you're returning from a day of skiing or simply relaxing. Check-in starts at 3 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in before enjoying all the hotel has to offer. The checkout time is set at 10 a.m., allowing for a relaxed morning before your departure. Tanuki House is a great option for couples or adult groups seeking a memorable getaway. While the hotel welcomes guests of all ages, please note that children are not permitted to stay free of charge, and extra charges may apply. During your stay, take advantage of the relaxing sauna, perfect for unwinding after a day on the slopes. Free parking and shuttle service are also available to make your trip as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Don't forget, you can secure your stay at Tanuki House by scanning the QR code in the description.